How to render in After Effects. Let's get into it. Move the playhead to where you want your exported video to start and then press B on your keyboard. Then move it to the end and then press N. This is going to mark our in and out points. Next, come up to File, then come down to Export. And here we can choose between the Media Encoder queue or the render queue. For this example, we're going to go with render queue. Click into Best Settings and make sure that the quality is set to Best, and then choose OK. Next, click into the Output module and make sure the format is H.264 if you want MP4. Next, under Video Output, select Format Options, and for performance, select Hardware Encoding if your computer allows it. Next, under the bitrate settings, change this to VBR1 pass and increase the target bitrate to suit your project. The higher the number, the higher quality the video will be, however your file sizes will be bigger as well. I'm going to stick this to 15. Choose OK to close out of here and OK again. Then for output 2, click into this and find somewhere on your computer where you want this to render to. Choose Save and then choose Render. And you'll notice After Effects starts with the progress bar of it rendering out your video. And that's all there is to it.